If you have purchased a compression pocket or a compression backpack from Travel Like Me, you must have got this air pump. I'll show you what's inside it and how to use it and what are do's and don'ts. You get an air pump, charging cable type A to type C. You got a manual, you get a travel pouch. Also you get 5 different types of nozzles which you can use for the compression pocket or a compression backpack, and you can use it for different products also like air bed, swimming tubes and many more products. So there are different 5 types of nozzles you get with it. Now I'll show you how to use the air pump. If your air pump is inactive or not working, simply follow these steps. Normally the air pump on and off by simply pressing the switch. Press the power button once, the blue light will blink. When the light turns off, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. The blue light will blink 4 times. Now your air pump is activated and ready to use. There's a travel lock feature in this air pump, so your air pump doesn't accidentally start in your backpack. Long press switch for 3 seconds to lock. And long press switch for 3 seconds to unlock. Always put the plastic cover on the air pump so the switch does not press accidentally. Now I'll share you some do's and don'ts of this air pump. So first thing, when you get the air pump, for the first time charge it for 3 hours. If the red light is blinking, it means it is discharged and the battery level is less than 5%. And after your first use, you can charge it up to 2 hours. Don't use the air pump continuously for more than 5 minutes. In case you have used it more than 5 minutes, then keep it aside for at least 5 minutes so that the motor cool down. Now I'll show you how to open the compression pocket. The compression pocket feels very tight because it is made airtight by design. The zipper is tight intentionally to maintain compression. How to open it properly? You can find a small buckle near the zip. Hold the buckle firmly and pull the zipper. It will open easily. The buckle is given so you can open or close the zipper smoothly. Now I'll show you which air pump nozzle to use for compression pocket. This is the air pump. On the top, this is the vacuum port, and at the back, this is the inflatable port. And for compression, we will use the vacuum port and this nozzle. This is the perfect nozzle for compression pocket. Now how to use it? Simply lock it on the vacuum port on the upside. Put your clothes inside. Close the compression pocket and now use the air pump. You can see it start compressing the air pocket. You can see our compression pocket is compressed now. Check our other products on travellikeme.com and definitely you will love it. Thank you.